Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a full guide on how to send avatar stickers in direct messages on Instagram. If you're looking to add some fun and personalization to your conversations, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Step 2. From the top right corner, open a direct message in the Instagram app. Step 3. Choose the recipient to whom you want to send the message. Step 4. Tap on the sticker icon located next to the message bar. Step 5. Select avatar from the sticker options. Step 6. Explore the various stickers available based on your latest avatar version. Step 7. Once you find your favorite sticker, simply tap on it to share it in a direct message. By following these steps, you can easily send avatar stickers in your Instagram direct messages and add a touch of personal flair to your conversations. And there you have it. Our full guide on how to send avatar stickers in direct messages on Instagram. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.